Hi guys, today I'm on holiday. I'm camping. I'm about to have hot dogs. I've got a friend called Tommy and I'm just relaxing right now. And we've got a whole back garden and I'm going to show you my room. Right, so this is mine and Josh's room. This side is mine like that and that side is Josh's. And then all this stuff down here and that and all that, that's all mine. It's nice. And I have rockets and stuff. I have one friend called Jess, she's a girl but she's not my girlfriend. I have a friend called Tommy and a friend called Jacob and I don't remember the other name. But I'm having fun. So I hope you comment on this and see what I'm doing and I'll comment back. And then we're good. Bye. I'm camping.